Oh hey, welcome to another edition of hand-laid tracks and 3D printed trains with Socrates. Today we're looking at multicolor version of the number 3 Amsterdam tank car. I saw this tank car in Amsterdam a while ago, so I made it into a tiny model of it, and recently got myself a Bamboo A1 multicolor printers. So I added what's on it properly, GATX, and there's with and without some graffiti, because I like graffiti. And AFCA, that's right, yeah, AFCA, that's the Amsterdam Football Club Amsterdam, or Ajax. Bad Nederlander. That's the AFCA. That's the Amsterdam Football Club Ajax. And it's a real common graffiti you see all over the place. And it has a little tiny sacco because some kid got in there and graffitied my car. Not me, though, because my name is Socrates, so clearly it's somebody else. And you can print it on bamboo. They're pretty easy to color up. You can use the multicolor thing. And basically, if you don't hit the edge, turn off the detect edges, and it's pretty easy to select out the colors. And it prints out on the bamboo. In my case, I did it in 3 colors. Gray, white, and black. Of course, you can get rid of the saccos, and it's only gray and white. A whole lot easier. Also, the Africa's got a black outline, but it's kind of small, but it's in there. Anyway, working on the sizes of these things. And make yourself a car. Get it on cults. So that's a Amsterdam's tank car with graffiti and not graffiti and GATX symbol. You can get it there on Cults, multiple color printer. The same one color version is available earlier. You can get that as well if you just have a single color printer. And print yourself up some cars. Because hand-laid tracks got multiple cars now, multiple colors now, multiple cars and multiple colors. Hand-laid tracks wouldn't have a theme. Yeah. Song, hand-laid tracks. That's the song for the song of the track today. In multicolors.